This step requires securing the ahoge. Take the ahoge, position it on the face assembly as shown. Using blue thread and a running stitch. Sew 3 stitches to temporarily fix it, no knot needed here. The ahoge needs to be aligned with the center point. This step involves sewing the body. Here, use the same method as for the pigtails to turn it right side out. Once turned, it should look like this. First, take the body fabric pieces and align them with right sides together. Then take the small hand that has been turned right side out. It has no front or back distinction. The unsewn side of the hand should be placed vertically. The hand should hang naturally downward. This is incorrect. Tuck the arm inward, positioning it on the upper side of the body fabric. Along the side edge. So using red thread and backstitch. The first stitch sews only the 2 body fabric layers. Do not sew through the hand yet. Stitches 2, 3, and 4 should go through the hand. the thread becomes tangled while sewing, be sure to untangle it before continuing. Do not pull forcefully. After the arm section is sewn, it should align exactly with the marked point on the body. Remember to tie a knot. When unfolded after sewing, it should look like this. Sew the other side using the same method. Remember to tuck the arm inward and downward for sewing. Once everything is sewn, it should look like this.